What is up, guys? I'm back with a new video. If you're new to my channel, pause. Before we get into the video, I would just like to shout out Yiroo hair for sending me this hair. They sent me the Malaysian body wave in 3 bundles of 22-inch and an 18-inch frontal. I use the bundles to do these super long ponytails. If you guys want to know how to do this, just leave a like and I will be sure to film it. Yeah, but now into the tutorial. So I have my face already done and I already have my eyes prepped. So I'm gonna go straight into the eyes. The only thing I did different with my face is I just used a lot of concealer and I baked a little bit longer just to get my under eye and my forehead lighter than usual, because this is like a clown look. So instead of doing the full white face, I just did my concealer a little bit lighter. The first palette that we're using today is the Morphe 35B. My left eye will have the blue shadow and my right eye will have the pink shadow. For my transition, we're going to go in with this light pink shade and we're going to apply that to the crease and a little bit above the crease. guys liked this video. Again, if you're coming from Mac's channel, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And if you're new, same to you. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit the red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I post, just make sure to click the bell. And if you want to see what I do outside of YouTube, you can follow me on my social medias. King Cassidy is my Instagram, Cassie Queen is my Snapchat, and King Cassidy _ is my Twitter. This hair was provided to me by Yiroo hair. I will have all of their details down below, as well as the direct link to this hair. If you're new to my channel, it was nice meeting you again. I'm Cassidy, and if you're returning subby, I will see you in my next video.